Are you planning to attend a party and want to make a bold statement with your makeup? So, today I'll be showing you how to create a beautiful and dramatic party makeup look with bold lips. Let's get started. But before we start the makeup, let's prep our skin using cleanser, moisturizer and sunscreen, as it will keep our skin healthy. Step number 1. Primer. Using primer is always important as it hides your pores and helps your makeup to glide smoothly on your skin. I'm taking some amount of primer on my hand and applying it on my face using my fingers. Now, I'm going to blend it using my fingertips. Step number 2. Concealer. Now, let's conceal our dark spots and dark circles using concealer. I'm going to apply concealer under my eyes and on my dark spots. Now I'm going to blend it using a brush. Step number 3. Foundation. Always choose a foundation as per your skin tone. I'm going to use my foundation and apply it on my face, making small dots all over. Now I'm going to blend it using a damp sponge as it helps to blend well and takes up less product. Step number 4. Loose powder. Loose powder will help to lock the base makeup. So I'm taking some amount of loose powder on a brush and I'll apply it from the center and go upwards. Step number 5. Brow cream. I never forget to fill in brows because it gives a sharp look to the face structure. So I'm going to use my brow cream and fill in a few gaps. Step number 6. Eyeshadow. Now, before we start applying eyeshadow, I'm going to apply some amount of concealer on my eyelids and blend it using a blender because this will help me avoid discoloration. Then, I'm going to use a pink shade eyeshadow and apply it on my eyelids and my crease with the help of an eyeshadow brush. Post that, I'm going to apply a little darker shade of brown and apply it on the outer edge of my eyes and blend it with the help of a brush. After which, I'm going to use a gold highlighter and apply it from the inner corners towards the center and blend it well. Step number 7. Blush. Now, I'm going to use a cream blush for a matte finish look and apply it with my fingertips on my cheeks and my nose and blend it well. You can also use a powder blush for a full coverage base. Step number 8. Highlighter. Now, I'm using this highlighter on the bridge of my nose and my cheeks using my fingertips. Now, let me apply this highlighter on my outer brow bone as it is going to give a sharp look to the brow shape and my eyes. Step number 9. Lipstick. I'm going to use a dark color lipstick. I'm thinking of a wine shade as it will look great with my outfit. So, let me apply lipstick on my upper and lower lip and press them against each other. Step number 10. Setting spray. It's time to lock our amazing makeup by using setting spray. All you need to do is spray some amount of it on your face and wait for a few seconds. And we are party ready. So, here's my final look. I hope you found the tips helpful in creating a look that's both glamorous and statement making. So, are you going to try this party look? Here's a quick recap. Step number 1. Primer. Step number 2. Concealer. Step number 3. Foundation. Step number 4. Loose powder. Step number 5. Brow cream. Step number 6. Eyeshadow. Step number 7. Blush. Step number 8. Highlighter. Step number 9. Lipstick. Step number 10. Setting spray. Do share your thoughts and keep watching this space for more such content. Bye-bye.